Okay. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. I haven't done a challenge video in a year. I think my last one was with Wyatt. So this is really exciting. I have Prince of SD here.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
I met him at VidCon last year, and briefly, but we didn't really hang out that much. So we kept in contact last year, and
like your people has been talking to my people.
Yeah.
My people have been talking to your people.
Exactly.
But we've never made this possible.
I know.
Until today.
So this is the the battery.
No!
I have like 3 extra batteries though, so we're good.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna change this out. But what I'm gonna say is that we're gonna do a challenge video today. It's gonna be guess the YouTuber. So, what? I
don't think you're ready for this. I don't think you're ready.
I know.
I don't think you're ready.
So we both wrote a list of 6 different. Well, actually, we're gonna be doing 5 just in case if we to have the same YouTuber. We wrote a list of 6 different YouTubers that we're gonna, I guess, act out first.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna act out, and then if we still don't get it, maybe just explain what they do, what kind of videos, what they look like, that kind of stuff. So it's just guess the YouTuber.
What's weird is that I'm trying so hard not to look at the screen. I'm trying to look
definitely
right
look down
here.
there. Yeah.
That's so weird.
I know.
Okay,
but
I'm
yeah.
ready.
Do you want to go first? Well, after we change the battery.
Yeah, totally.
So,
let's do it.
Should we do something? Whoever wins or whoever loses, like.
Since it's VidCon, like somebody has to do something like not too mainstream that we don't get kicked out, but like something crazy like outside.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm trying to think. Because I feel like we should have something for the loser. What should they do?
I think the loser should like go outside, right? But they gotta quote that YouTuber of the winner's choice, and they can only talk to the people as that YouTuber.
Really?
If that makes sense.
Kind of.
Yeah. So, who's going first again?
You can go first.
You want me to go first?
Yeah, you can go first.
So am I the one giving you clues, or are you the one acting out the clues? And I'm guessing.
Oh, how about I'm guessing and you're doing it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
So just...
Alright, ready?
So acting out is going to be even more funny, because...
Yeah.
You know, okay, ready? Oh my god.
Okay.
I feel like I have a disadvantage too, because I don't know a lot of YouTubers.
Okay, how did she...
Okay,
Oh man. I don't know how to do her, like, the voice that she does. But, like, she's always, like, her hair is, like, slicked back and has, like, the like, little bands, like, in the very back.
JoJo.
She's like this.
JoJo?
No. She does like that weird smirk. She's like this, like Popeye sort of.
Wait, what?
She has like a really annoying voice. She wears like these like really like disgusting clothes.
Is it Miranda sings?
Yeah.
Oh wow! I was like, wait.
I don't know how do you do her voice? I can't do.
Hello, I can't. Wait. Hello. Oh wait, I can't do it. Like,
I can't think of how to do her voice.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. So I get
1.0 for Prince.
So now I'm going to do 1.
All right.
You're gonna get these right away.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Ready?
You ready?
I'm ready. Bring it to me. Bring it.
You're gonna get it right away, but I have to look at the camera and do it.
You have to look at the camera. Why?
Hey guys, welcome back.
Oh my god, that's Yes! That's literally on my list, dude!
That is so funny. I didn't
even get literally what I was gonna do. I was gonna be like, hey, what's up, you guys? Yes, welcome to the conspiracy theory.
I literally just said, hey guys, and you guys.
Oh my god. Alright.
So
we're tied. Alright.
So
it's my turn to give you a clue, right?
That was so easy. Yeah.
Okay.
And all my YouTubers are easy. They're all like
Alright, you ready?
10 million subscribers.
Oh, really?
I mean, they're big, yeah.
Okay, you ready? Okay, so she hit the news recently, right? She has a new show coming out in July.
Liza Koshy.
Yeah.
She's over there. Over there. She's literally on.
Well, I didn't want to say she just broke up with David because I felt like he would get that.
Yeah.
I feel like that was easy.
How do you act out Liza? Oh,
how do you act?
Because she has characters, right?
Yeah.
How do you act her out? I don't even know.
She has so many characters.
Yeah.
Damn, I should have really thought this one through.
That was a good one.
Okay.
This one. Okay. I think you're gonna get all these.
It'll be really funny if this ends with like a tie.
I know. Oh my god. I feel like I need to like when I act these out because they're creators. I need to like like do it to the camera. But, so what does he do?
It's he. It's a he. Okay.
Good day, everyone. You don't know? Wait, hold on. He goes, Good day everyone, welcome back to,
I feel like everybody on YouTube says that. Hey, good morning, guys.
No, but this one in particular goes, good day everyone. You know?
I want to say Tyler Oakley. That's my first one, and then second.
Ooh. Good day everyone.
Oh, what's it? He has a show on YouTube Red, huh? Escape the Night?
We'll see, I don't know.
What's his name? What's his name?
You have 10 seconds.
Joey?
Yeah, Joey.
Joey? Okay.
Yeah. Joey.
Damn, he's on my list too.
Really? Good thing we have 6 people. Oh my god, that's so funny. Yeah, he goes, good day everyone. And I was gonna say like, good damn bye, but that's kind of obvious. I don't know.
You ready?
But,
Alright, I feel like this one's easy for you too. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Cool. I gotta look at the camera for this one.
Yeah.
Good mythical morning.
The fact that I don't know that is sad.
Good.
It's so obvious.
No? Good mythical morning. Will it sink or will it float? I don't know, let's figure out.
I feel like I've heard of that, Mythical Morning. But I don't know who that is.
I don't, okay, so they do, obviously Mythical Morning, right?
Yeah.
They do weird segments. It can be like
2 people?
2 people.
Is it twins?
No.
Okay.
But they do weird stuff on their channel. It can be eating, it can be like being in a tub or whatever product.
Like, wait.
It's always every morning. At least I think it's every morning. Yeah.
Really?
I think it's almost every morning, yeah.
I should know this, and I've heard of Mythical Morning.
I watch these guys
really
before I start my day, yeah.
Wow. Who is that? Good Mythical Morning.
You want more clues?
Maybe. I definitely don't watch them. I don't know.
No? You don't
know?
No. You want it now? You want the answer?
Yeah.
Red and Link.
Oh,
Red and
God.
Link.
Oh, I know who that is.
So, oh, man.
Oh, this one's a hard one to do.
Oh, no.
This one's a hard one to do. Let's think. Oh, this one's hard. How do I even act her out?
So it's a her. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shoot. I was gonna say hello everyone, but like, she's blonde.
Blonde.
I can't really act her out. It's kind of hard to act her out.
Okay.
She's blonde. She has a podcast.
Who doesn't have a podcast?
She is a YouTuber.
Okay.
She's probably here at VidCon.
Is it somebody that you know, like you watch on a daily basis?
I don't watch her daily, but I listen to her podcast a lot.
Okay.
I watch her sometimes on YouTube. This is a bad explanation, but I don't know. She's from New Jersey, where I am from.
New Jersey.
Okay. Yeah. She does comedic videos. She's very funny, and I like her a lot. She's super funny.
Has she been on YouTube for like a while?
Yeah, she's old school.
She's old school. She's old school. Okay.
Very old school YouTuber. And I'm not giving the best clues. It is hard to
I'm
guess.
literally thinking of the only person I think that's blonde is Tana.
Yeah,
but I know you wouldn't put on your list.
No.
He is literally obsessed with Tana. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but he's obsessed with Tana.
Yeah. No, but it's not her. Because she's not that old school. She just started a few years ago.
Jeez.
I wish I could give more clues.
The only one I can think that our blonde is Trish. Trisha Paytas.
Okay. No.
That's not her?
No.
She's not from New Jersey, is she?
No, she's...
Okay.
No. Then Tana's from Vegas.
I don't know. I'm thinking.
I'm sorry. I wish I can do better.
Who is it?
It's Grace Helbig.
I don't know who that is.
You don't know who that is?
No, I don't know who that is.
Grace Helbig?
No.
Oh,
I bet you like anything. If you show me a photo of her, what she looks like, I probably know who she is.
You probably know her.
Okay.
That's not her photo.
No, I didn't get
so
that.
Funny.
Hey.
Okay, so.
All right, so it's what? 2-2?
No, 2-2. Yeah.
2-2. Okay.
Okay.
All right, this is the one that I've been waiting to do. All right,
okay.
ready?
Okay.
All right, this YouTuber is either a he or a she.
Okay.
I'm trying to throw you off here.
Oh.
This YouTuber does a lot of singing on his on this person on this person's channel. He does a lot of singing. Very popular, very old school. He had a viral hit not too long. No, a couple years back. Went viral. Everybody loved it. Everybody is obsessed with like how he sings. He's a really good singer.
Rebecca Black?
No. No.
I'm trying. Because I'm thinking a viral video about singing.
He does a lot of viral. He did a viral hit. Went good.
Leroy Sanchez.
No.
He's a singer. He's really good.
So he has like this really deep voice, right?
Is it
Chocolate.
Wait, yeah. Okay, no.
Do you know who he is?
Tezonte.
Damn!
Yeah, he's old school too.
Yeah.
Tezonte.
Yeah, it was Tezonte. Yeah.
I'm gonna try it after this birthday.
Okay.
Hello, Wait, I can't do it. Wait, hold on. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm.
I don't know why, but I think of Tyler Oakley.
Hold on. I can't even do what to say. I don't even know what to say. Beauty guru, British.
Beauty gurus that are British.
Oh, where are you going? Oh, Alfie. There's a big hand. Did you get that? Oh, Alfie.
What's her name?
Alfie, where are you?
What's her name?
You know what I'm talking about, though, right?
I know who you're talking about. I don't know her name. I don't know why it's not coming to me right now.
Ooh.
What's her freaking name?
Yeah,
what's her name?
Zoella.
Ha!
Yeah, Zoella. You were gonna say Z, right?
Yeah, I was gonna say Z.
yeah,
What's her name?
Yep.
Damn.
Zoella.
Alright, you ready for the next one? Okay. This guy also does singing.
Ooh.
Very popular as well. I think he just like finished up going on a tour.
And he's a YouTuber?
He's a YouTuber, yeah. He doesn't post on a daily basis, but he posts music covers when he can. I don't want to play the songs, but like the songs, it's like the ones that I like are like the ones called Wind It Up. What's the other one that I like? Epic Love. If You Had a Heart. He is obsessed with Wizard of Oz.
I know who that is.
He's big on Broadway.
I know who that is. I know. You don't have to give it anymore.
No.
I know exactly who that is.
Who is it?
Todrick Hall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is not going good for me.
I only know of him because of my friend. Because you know Emily.
Yeah.
I only know him because of Emily. Because when I went to play CC with Emily, sorry, Emily.
Oh wow, she's being exposed here.
No, it's funny because she just played Todrick Hall the whole time on the way home.
Okay.
And it was really good, but it was just so funny.
Yeah.
Because she played Todrick Hall, so that's how I knew.
Okay.
The whole way home, which is it was cool because I that's how I found out.
So it's what 4-2?
Probably. Damn. Oh, so I have one more. Do you have one more?
I got one more.
Okay, I have one more.
Damn, I need these 2 points.
This you're gonna get. I'm gonna act it out. So he says, "What is up?" Oh wait, what does he say? What is up? Good morning. What's up, you beautiful bastards? My name is blank, and on this episode today, we're gonna be talking about this. And like he does a daily video where he talks about the news that's going on every single day in the YouTube, or not even YouTube community. He'll talk about like Trump a lot and talk about random news stuff every single day. And he gets like 2 million views a day. Wait, you Googled him?
No, I did not. I did not. Philip DeFranco?
Philip DeFranco.
I got it right. There's my 3 points right there.
Wait, how? You already Googled him. How did you know?
Dude, I'm a genius. I'm a genius.
I'm gonna look back then. You're like, oh my god. Well, I think I still won because it's 4-3.
It's 4-3. Yeah. Are we going up to 4? Do you want to go up to 4?
Do you have one more?
I have one more, yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Let's do that. One more.
I don't know her name either, but I can describe her.
You don't know her name?
Yeah. She is, I think you will get this. She is like she's a very funny person.
It's not Tana, is it?
No, it's not Tana. It's not Tana.
Corinna?
Hold on, let me make sure if it's her name. How do you spell that? No, I'm kidding.
Corinna, and her last name's Kopf. Kopf. If it's Corinna.
No, it's not her. It's not.
Wait. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
But that's Corinna.
No. But I'm saying it's not her. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank God. Okay. She's also. Do you know who Brandon Rogers is?
No.
She's also being friends with that guy. She wears every time I see her like post on Instagram, she always posts like the fish bowl hats and like a white shirt that has like a one word on the shirt.
One word.
She has a fanny pack. She rocks a fanny pack.
Really?
Yes. Oh, I got it right here. Oh, I got it. Her last name is like, to me it's hard to pronounce, but it starts with an S. Her last name starts with an S. Her first name starts with a C.
No. What is it?
Christine.
Sudoku. Oh, I know
Yes.
who that is. Oh
Yes.
my god, I know who that is. Christine.
Yeah.
I don't know how to pronounce the last name either.
I don't know how to
It's like Sudoku. It's like Sudoku.
Sudoku.
The game.
That's a game. Okay. So it's what?
That's
Tie,
crazy.
is it tied now? 4-4?
We could make it a tie.
Okay, alright.
We can make it a tie.
Alright,
but,
so what should be the tiebreaker?
Oh, that's a good question.
What should we do for the tiebreaker? Should we do a part 2 and see if they want a tiebreaker?
Oh yeah, we could do that. Okay.
We can do that, yeah. See, like, if they're enjoying this
Yeah.
for a part 2.
Then please like this video if you guys are
How
enjoying this.
can we get this to like 6,000 likes?
I
Can we do it
hope
like
so.
that
If it does, I'd be really excited.
for a part 2 and see who wins.
Yes.
Chris versus Prince.
Yes. We'll see if you guys can get this video, even 6,000 likes. That would be amazing. I don't think my freaking Hannah Mojo video got 6,000.
No? What's like the highest likes you ever got in the video?
The highest view.
Yeah, or highest view, yeah.
Well, highest view is 240,000, but
240,000.
not 240. 125,000.
125, okay.
It got 777 likes. So, like 1,000 likes.
So if we get 1,000
likes.
we get 1,000 likes on
That's
this
a little
video.
more
We can do that. We can do that.
So, yeah.
I'm down. We'll
Okay.
check on it
Yes.
for part 2. Yes.
Yes, definitely.
You saw it. It's official. It's official.
1,000 likes. We'll do another one. So please like this video.
Let's
Subscribe.
do it.
Check out Prince's channel. Right down below. And also subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And my Instagram.
Don't subscribe to me. Like subscribe
Just
to
me,
subscribe
no.
to him. Click on his face and subscribe to him.
And my Instagram is at iChrisbtv. Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. What's your social media?
Instagram, Twitter, all of it. It's Prince of SD.
Yeah, it's Prince of SC. So really easy. So
Yeah.
yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.